to show you how to set up WordPress in your window local machine. So also it's the same thing with the setting mysql in your window. So to do that, first of all, let's type xampp. Let's get our xampp copy, download, and then install in our window machine. So I'm just going to here and choose download the 64 byte for my machine. So this is going to take me where I want to save. So I'm just going to save it here. This is going to take a while, but at the same time also I need to download WordPress. So I'm just going to type to also WordPress. I'm going to wordpress.org, download a copy. So let me download WordPress a copy also for WordPress. Alright, so this is going to take a while. So I have xampp and WordPress downloaded in my computer. So what I want to do now is I just will have to go and open xampp. So just click yes, open it. Let's click yes and yes, 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 next, 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 and English, next, next, and install. So this is going to take a while. So I have xampp installed already. So what I have to do, just come here and finish. All right. So the next thing I want to do now, I want to go to my C directory and go and open up xampp. So just go and click open up, and I go to htdocs, open up. Well, so we have now, this is now where we are going now to create our we are going now to upload our WordPress. But first of all, let's create a folder here. Let's name it anything. You can name it whatever you want. So in this case, I'm just going to call it site. So we have now our folder site created here. So what we want to do now is just going to the admin. So this will take us to PHP my admin. So from here now we just go and create a new database. So in this case, let's just go ahead and create a database. You can call it, you can name it whatever you want. So let me just call my site. It's called my site BD, my site DB. So then just click create. Now you have your database. Then you have to go and click privileges. So from here now you need now to add a new user. So click add a new user account. So new user account, in this case I'm just going to add my name, add Shabani. Now this one, just leave it default as is, and password. So in this case I'm just going to use 1 2 3 4 5, but make sure that if it's an online site and you have to make a strong password. And now I'm going to retype this 1 2 3 4 5, and this is good to go. So scroll down a bit and you get check all global privilege. So just check all, and scroll down again and just click go. Next, now you have grant privilege administrator. Just click grant all, and now you have check all. So what you have to do now, just click go, and you have now your database and user account created. All right, congratulations. So now next thing you have to do, go back now to your site. Go back now to your local host. This is your local host. This is your ht docs from xampp. So as you can see here, we have nothing in this folder. So what we want to now extract WordPress in here. So what I want to do now, I'm going now to the browser, and I want to go now find the downloads where I saved my WordPress downloads. So here is my WordPress download. So just go show it on the folder. So from here, I'm just going to open it. Just going to click on it. So it will open, asking me now where to extract now this file. So what I want to do, I want to just come, so just click extract to, and this will take me, show me the different directories. So I want to go to C drive, C directory. From C directory, I want to go find xampp, and here is xampp, and I want to now to go to htdocs. Here now in htdocs. So now this is my folder where I wanted to extract my WordPress. So just click on this. Now click OK. So now WordPress is being extracted in that folder. So just wait a bit, then everything is going to. So now we have our WordPress extracted in our folder. So let's just go back to our folder. Now we have WordPress here. So just click open it. So everything is in here. So what I'll just go do is select all and cut it. You can copy or cut it. So just come back in the folder, site folder, and from here just paste my WordPress folder, WordPress files. Right, so we have it here. Now back in the browser now, refresh now the page. You will see now we have now WordPress. Now we have WordPress, so we are ready now to proceed with the WordPress. So what you want to do now, first of all, select your language. So in this case, I'm just going to select the English UK. Click continue. Now here now it's going to ask me if it's going to ask me about the database name, database username, database password, and the database host. So in this case, just click let's go. Now I will have my database name. So you remember my database name. This is my database name, my site underscore site underscore db. So this is what I'm going to type here. Say my site underscore my underscore site underscore db. And now the username, my username is Shabani. And now my password is just 12345. Make sure to make a strong password if it's an online website, but this is a developed site or is on my local machine. So anyway, it's no problem. So what I want to do now is just click submit. So now I am ready to run now WordPress installation. So just click run the installation. So next thing now, you're going to ask now, they're going to ask you now to provide your site name. So in this case, I'm just going to say SMS Tijo, and the username, just my username Shabani, and the password I'm just going to put 123. That's going to put 12345. It's a very weak password. You should do something like this. You should use this type of password. So confirm password, confirm this weak password, no problem. So email address, now I'm just going to put my email address, and discourage from discourage search engine discourage search engine from indexing this site. It doesn't problem because it's not online. So just click install WordPress. So this is going to take a while, so just be patient. Alright, now you have WordPress installed now in our xampp in a local machine. So what I want to do now, just click login. So this is my username and my password is here. You can see my password. This is my password is here. So just click remember me and login. So this is now going to take us now to dashboard. We are now in WordPress. So to view your site, just click here and you are ready to view your site. Congratulations! So you just install your WordPress in a local machine. So in the next step, I'm going to show you how to create now a WordPress theme and a WordPress plugin. So please share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.